Good morning children. I am Pooja Pareva. With me Sanjay Bharadwaj. Today we will study class 9th subject English textbook Beehive Prose lesson 8 Reach for the top. Part 2. Dear children, in part 1st, we knew about Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. In the summary, today we will do the question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Word meanings. Children, in this question, we will learn the meaning of these English words in Hindi. Pursue, पाने की कोशिश करना. Divide, विभाजन. Society, समाज. Discrimination, भेदभाव. Dream, सपना. Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Children, in this question, we will choose a correct answer and write it in the bracket. Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest at the age of dash. Correct answer is 20. So, we will write A in the bracket. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why was the holy man who gave Santosh's mother his blessings surprised? Answer: because her grandmother sought blessings for a daughter. Question number 2. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? Answer: she wished to climb mountains when she watched villagers from her room going up to the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. One day, she decided to check it out on herself. So, children, now we have completed the question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Match the following tables. Children, in this question, you will match these English words with their meanings in Hindi. For example, pursue means पाने की कोशिश करना. You will match like this. In the same way, you will match these English words with their meanings in Hindi yourself. Okay? Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Maria Sharapova won the women's singles at Wimbledon in dash. Choose the correct answer and write it in the bracket. Question number 3. Answer the following question. How was Maria different from other children? Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.